Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Now this video is sponsored by Tinashe Hair, and they sent me this beautiful body wave highlighted wig. It is 13 by 4 and I think it is in 24 inches. I think it's either 24 or 22. I'm lying. So it's 22 inches, 13 by 4, 180 density, and it is a body wave wig. It came pre-highlighted. I just had to bleach the knots, but apart from that, everything came the same. I had to bleach the knots and pluck the hairline as well, but the coloring came just as. And I'm just gonna be showing you guys where it catches me. So the length on me, and it's literally like right at my navel, I think. Yeah, pretty much at my navel. And I am 5'5", so if you're 5'5", then it will reach you the same place as well. But before I jump into the video, let me just tell you guys what they sent to me inside the package, or not tell but show rather. So this is the bag that the wig came in, and it is a bag to store your wig. So when you're done wearing your wig, you put your wig inside and it keeps it safe. It doesn't dry it out or damage the wig. It is silky as well, and you know, silk material is very good for your hair. So on to the package. So they did send me a stocking cap. I used one out of the pack. They sent me some clips, which some is going to definitely tear apart. They sent me their hair care card with their social media handle on the back. Some combs. I have like 100 of these combs right now. Bonnet. There's Tinashe headband. I only use these when I'm going to my bed for the laying of my wig. I can't use them because it's not tight enough. I don't think it does anything for me, but if it works for you, then you know. I think this is like a headscarf that you could, or a headband thingy that you could put around your head, almost like those headband wigs. Some lashes. Guys, you get a lot of things, okay? Some edge brush and some bobby pin. They definitely secure you guys with a lot of goodies that will help in the laying of your wig. And now for the wig. So the wig itself, like I said, it's 180% density. It is 13 by 4, 22 inches. And I did go ahead and I tried doing some beach waves, and it actually came out very cute. I learned a new method of curling. Well, yeah, I learned a new method of curling literally on YouTube. I just searched it up and I saw the way how this girl did it. I can link her video down in the description box as well, so you guys can check that out, because she probably explains it a little bit better than me. But for the most part, I definitely feel like I got it. The hair came out very cute. It looked very flowy and it looks very effortlessly, and that's what I want. If you guys want to see how I installed this wig and got these curls, then definitely keep on watching.
Hey, feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on this shit, my niggas owe me. I gotta be single for a while, you can't control me. Uno, those traits in a race, they can't hold me. And I show my face in the case, so you know it's me. Imitation isn't flattery, it's just annoying me. And I'm too about it. And the dirt that they threw on my name turned to soil, and I grew about it. Time for y'all to figure out what y'all gon' do about it. Big wheels keep rolling, rolling. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sounds like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside. Front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. Look, don't invite me over if you throw another pretty party. Looking back, it's hard to tell you where I started. I don't know who loved me, but I know that it ain't everybody. she a busybody. Baby, if you want me, can't be turning up with everybody. Nah, can't be fucking on this anybody. Yeah, I got feelings for you, that's the thing about it. Yeah, you know that it's something when I sing about it. Yeah, mama used to be on disability, but gave me this ability. And now she walking with her head high and her back straight. I don't think you feeling me, I'm out here being everything they said I wouldn't be, it couldn't be. I don't know what happened to them guys that said they would be. I said, see you at the top and they misunderstood me. I hold no resentment in my heart, that's that maturity. And we don't keep it on us anymore, it's with security. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside, front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me.
Rolling 80 wheels in a safety. Gotta roll OT, gotta give her release. Spread your legs downtown, so I'm going out to eat. Hit the raw sounds when I rock, I'll be asleep. I'ma roll on the forever, let her roll on me. Split this one down the middle, wake up in harmony.
Assalaxx. Don't close your eyes to get away. Just bang my line and I'll arrange it. Beautiful girl, you're stainless. You'll be fine, I'll be painless. Yeah. All I'm drinking is champagne. All you want is the same thing.
Yeah. The 10,000 building, get your ass an apartment, put you inside a G-class, that's just a starter kit. Plenty things count in life, but none of them is the thought of it. New piece around my neck, this chess games. Cause shorty stay with calculated moves like Beth Harmon. Swear I'm more Purple Rain Prince than Prince Charming. Disappointment I stay expecting it. The pessimist, gold medalist, flush the magnums just so they not collecting my specimens. Damn.
Guys, so because I'm doing beach waves and the ends are straight, and this is a body wave wig, so the ends are wavy. I don't want it to be wavy, I want it to be straight. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my flat iron and pretty much straighten it a little bit. It doesn't need to be bone straight because it's gonna be curled, but I really want the ends to be more straight. So yeah.
But I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I know how to play your thing. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too out there. Maybe if you give us something, maybe if you had a time, baby.
Okay guys, so I pretty much watched a tutorial. So now let me try to explain, okay? You could spray before or you could spray after. I'm gonna spray before just so it holds the curl. And yeah, so I'm gonna part out. I'm gonna do this one a little bit small. And basically, let me put these back because I already curled. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with a curling one, and I think this is, if it's not 1.5 inches, it's 2 inches, I'm not sure, but it's a bigger size. And basically you're going to curl away from your face, and when you're curling you want to make sure that you leave spaces in between the hair. Ooh, I think that one's missing up. Oh, it's right. And you want to leave spaces in between the hair, so go ahead and wrap it like so. Make sure there's spaces. And even though I have like the lengths, I have a long piece at the end, I want that piece to be shorter. You don't have to like continue wrapping and then you won't have any space. Just pull it down. So I'm gonna take my time and just pull it down, and I count like 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. and then you pull down a little bit more, and you do the same thing. You count to 10 seconds, and then after that you're gonna let it go. Oh my god, can you? Oh. Oh my gosh, okay. And then, yeah. And then, hold on. And then after, you're going to get the ends of the hair and you're just gonna pull to kind of open the curls a little bit. So pull. And then there you have it. I'm just gonna continue doing it, but because I did this section small, I'm going to do this one a little bit bigger and then do a small one. And guys, when I just started loving beach waves and I watched their videos to show me like how to do it, they were telling me that you curl one piece of hair in the opposite direction, and then you curl the next one in different direction, and then the mixture of the different directions of curls is what's going to give it that look. But I just watched this video and I think this way is much better. Like, it falls better to me. So it's basically just doing everything in the same direction, but if you want like a little bit of volume, just do small sections and then a bigger section. So small, then big. You mix the size of the curl, not the direction of the curl. And I honestly prefer this way. Oh my god. It's like, yeah. Like, actually, for real. And then you just pull the end. Oh my god, it's actually falling so nice.
Trapping, but I heard that's a lie. Baking soda, cold water, cut the stove on, scrape the sides. You can keep skinny bitch, cause I like a fat ass guy. So y'all savage, your baby daddy know not to try. I just brought a pistol, it got 30 rounds in it. Pull up at your mama's house and put some rounds in it. Let a nigga block and watch them niggas drown in it. 100 round drum, got a nigga down with it. I'm on this slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit. I'm on that slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, 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 slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit.
Before I go ahead and like rake it out and all of that, I'm going to first spray it with some hairspray. And I'm going to fix the what's it called? I'm gonna fix my parting, because it ain't giving anything right now. So let me fix my parting. Yeah, so that is way better for sure. I'm going to leave it like that. I'm just gonna rake my hand through them and kind of like, oh my gosh. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you guys would like to purchase this wig, definitely check down in the description box. The links will be there, and if I have a coupon code, it will also be down in the description box. Thank you guys for watching. Once again, I would like to thank Tinashe Hair for sponsoring this video, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one.